In this video, I'm going to be unboxing 1GB sticks of RAM that are 99 cents each. These sticks of RAM came all the way from China, and they were 99 cents each, and I got 2 of them, so $1.98. Free shipping. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. Okay, here they are. As you can see, they're both in their own packaging, plastic packaging. Okay, let's try and open them up. Okay, covers off for the first one. Now the second one. Okay, now the second one's cover's removed. We can see they're not famous brands, but if they work, that's what matters. Okay, let's take them out. And get a better look at them. Okay, here's the back. Front again. These are DDR2 RAM sticks. And as you can see, the hole in the middle is off-centered, so be careful when you're putting them in your computer. Okay, now let's install the RAM in this computer. Here's some more information about this PC that I installed the RAM on. It is running Windows 10 Pro 32-bit, unfortunately. With 32-bit, it can only support up to 4 GB of RAM. It is also, the computer's running an AMD Athlon dual-core 2.6 GHz processor and has 4 GB of RAM, so the max, and 3.37 GB of it are usable. This computer was given to me, and I decided to buy some more RAM to make it faster, and it probably has made it faster. Haven't used it a whole lot yet, but I'm glad I got it. So if you need more RAM for your computer, you should possibly consider buying these 99-cent RAM sticks. And by the way, free shipping. Now, it might take a while to get here from China, but it'll probably be worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos.